Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 81 right here, and we have, well, a couple of parts. Looks like a couple parts for another ring connector. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue. Basically, we have 3 pieces of the top ring section and a couple of ring connectors. And you're going to need to get 4 of the 4mm silver screws from previous issues. Now these 2 pieces of the ring connector are identical. They all have writing on them. You can see right there. There's some writing on this one as well. So with all of the writing facing upwards, we just align them like this, and the ring connectors will slide in underneath, and we use the 4 screws, 2 on each connector, to hold it in place. And there you go. With those pieces assembled like that, we actually have completed this stage. Well, that was a short and sweet issue. Looks like we're working on what I hope is the final ring frame for the body support here, but well, progress. So if you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.